Hey, it's Phae, and this is Day with Phae. In this video, we are transforming into Ariel and Aurora. Timestamps are in the description below. First, I take this powder contour kit and contour my face. You want to go in that classic 3 shape that outlines your face and your cheekbone. Then I like to use these contour sticks for my nose. Don't worry about being dramatic for this look. And then I'm gonna add a little highlight to the tip of my nose. Now onto brows. First, brush those babies out. If they're anything like mine, they're gonna need it. I then dip into some pomade and outline the bottom of my brow and also the top half of my brow. Then I fill them in, applying less and less pressure as I get closer to, the unibrow area. Then I take concealer and apply it above and below my brow to add more of a defined shape. Next, I take a rosy blush and I add a lot. I like to smile and apply the brush to the apple of my cheek. Now, to get that cartoonish eye look, you're gonna want to apply white eyeliner to the bottom of your lash line. It just makes your eyes look bigger. I'm gonna fix the highlight on my nose, don't mind me. I am going to use the So Jaded palette from ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. I'm gonna dip into the rose quartz and apply it to the outer crease of my lid. And then I'm gonna smoke it to my lower lash line as well. Then I'm gonna take Royal Jewels and apply it in between my crease and lid. Next, I'll take some concealer and add it to my lid. Then I'm gonna dip into rose quartz again and blend it in. Now for eyeliner, I like to use the liquid Kyliner. I go slowly and kind of pray to the makeup gods that everything's gonna be okay. I also add the eyeliner to the half of the bottom lash line to enhance that cartoonish look. Then I put my lashes on off camera and add mascara to blend out the lashes. For Ariel, I think that the Boss Lip Kit is perfect from Kylie Cosmetics. I then add the Jessica wig from I&H Hair for my Ariel hair. For the Village Ariel look, I pin my hair this way. Never going back, but I'll outrun the truth, because you know that I won't face the fact, but I don't want to hear. Don't forget to add the classic blue hair bow. The costume is linked down below as well as the wig. No, I'm not ready to throw in the towel and give up on you. Now for Aurora, let's take off this lipstick. For Aurora, she is more defined than Ariel in terms of cheekbones, so I'm gonna add more contour and reapply some blush. For Aurora, I like to use the Posy K lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics. And leave me in a state of mind. For Aurora's hair, I'm using the Paris wig from I&H Hair. I curl up a section of the front part and pin it back. I'm not ready to throw in the towel and give up on you. Next, I add a crown. You better believe that You Should See Me in a Crown was stuck in my head for a while after I put this on. But in the end, you know, I'll stay, 'cause
I'm ready to throw in the towel.
Again, the costume and wig are linked in the description below. Remember, don't touch any pointy spinning wheels or you're gonna be asleep for a while. And that concludes my tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like the video if you found it informational. Who is your favorite Disney princess? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. All you have to do is click my face right here and you can watch some of my other Halloween tutorials too if you're interested in that. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.
I guess that I was wrong, babe.